Try again.
Jump 50 feet in the air.
That doesn't work for me, kids. Let's do it again. Come on, Geri, do it right. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Cindy and the performing cat, Geri. And here she actually jumps into things. Now, scratch the back, Cindy. Wow, look at that. Look at that. She does it all the time. She's amazing, this cat. That's her mother on the floor. That's Minnie. And that's their brother, Jonathan. Let's try one more. Dump the cat. Jettison the cat. Cynthia. I'm not going to show that. You're going to get the cat dizzy if you swing her around.
The cat is my doll. She's my baby doll.
Okay, let's try one more time. Let's do it. Come on,
No,
Geri.
can't do it anymore.
One jump. I need another jump.
Come on.
Need another jump. Okay, now scratch it.
Come on. Come on, Jer. Come on, Jer. Do it, Jer. Come on, Jer.
You do it.
Come on, Jer. Come on, Jer.
Don't distract her. Don't distract her, Jonathan.
Come on, Jer.
Whoa! See that? Is that something? She's one heck of a performing cat. She's amazing.